177. Then the total number of teachers on payroll, we get 3,168. Number of teachers, because we don't bring now the electronic system, what teachers them for do the licensure. That is them for license. The nurses then get license, not so. So the number of teachers that start to the license examination in Port Loko district, 710. Numbers of teachers are waiting exams, therefore sit exam, 1,063. Number of teachers recruited after the license exam, 155. Number of teachers waiting for recruitment in Port Loko, 105. I want to tell you now, thank you. Then for put essence for say, if fine for let put to begin in a school, let them learn and let be a let them learn. Me what him up so, me mama na been fishmonger, they sell fish, not so. When I sabi me mama, when I sabi me papa, na agriculture been the work, na I make myself I get farm, I the plants, na been farm God. Na ya na agriculture na ya na they work from Cambia to ya. Do ya let we be a let put to begin in a school, let them learn. What they learn, it better himself, it better the community, then it better the family. Let God bless we all, yeah.
See, I want to talk something. If you see how you think this country, not so you have been do. Skade, not so you have been there. Skade, let you get the whole of government, top ministers then come. Then they give accounts. Waiting they happen. The minister come. They talk. Na Creole kono to English. They give the number. Almost school day. Almost person. Yeah. Not so you have been there. Not so. On agree. Not so. Yeah. Not so you been there. Not so. Would they try follow push the country go before because Salon big pass we all. Salon big pass we all. Now, for the final speaker for this segment, now one of the most outstanding public officials in a Salon. This man, na man I get plenty respect for. Well, Kailondo Kam, Jisno, himself na chief. Himself na big chief, in fact, na chief no more they call him. Because of it come out from a established chieftaincy family. So Port Loko, we gonna respect so we bring come plenty chief then come. For talk to now. But you don't talk about human security, you don't talk about social security and insurance. The informal sector, the formal sector. The post way responsible for let we all we life the way they work today. He puts the structure in place. And I say this too. When I talk to the big party, so they go put lock on and say, hey, one person away for day part of that delegation day. They say now Mr. Mohammed Fuad Dabo. Because waiting Nasi say do not put local. Now big thing. When I don't see what Nasi they work, not to explanation. When I don't see not so. When I see the building, not so the investments na ya. So do you wanna join me, Lord, put your hands together as we welcome the Director General for the National Social Security and Insurance Trust. We can call him Koto. Now the landlord, now we all. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Chairman. Yes, go ahead. Now, Chief, there is you so. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everybody. Chairman, allow me to stand on the existing protocols, but please permit me an exceptional permission. Let me mention and say thank you to the paramount chiefs and all the elders of Port Loko. Like how they say, Mina Mohammed Fuad Dabo, Mina the Director General for NASIT.